So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Solana meme coins for free and make money from it. And the reason is this. A lot of people are making money through trading Solana meme coins. It's called degen trading. So you buy meme coins and then you sell when the price goes up. In the past few days, I've made a lot of money trading Solana meme coins. If you see now, my portfolio is currently down because I have taken a lot of profit. I took profit as at last night. So what I'm just left with now is just these ones. I'm left with just these little tokens that are on my wallet here that I won't be selling. So I'm going to scout out for new meme coins that I am going to be buying very soon. But I'll just show you how to hop on it in this video. Now, this is my Solana here. This is my Phantom wallet, I mean. The first thing you want to do if you want to trade Solana meme coins is you need to deposit or fund your wallet with some amount of Solana. If I scroll up here, you can see I have just $1 worth of Solana. That is $1.43 worth of Solana. If you want to purchase Solana, it's an easy thing. You can use exchanges. Preferably, I use BitGet. Yes, look at BitGet here. But the only thing is that when you want to buy from exchanges, you might need to purchase a higher amount. You will not be able to buy as little as $1, $2 or thereabout. But I think you should be able to I don't know, but I think you should be able to withdraw because I've never bought low. I've never bought $5. I always buy a little bit higher. So, but I don't think you'll be able to buy and withdraw small amounts. So you can use exchanges like BitGet. You can use Bybit, but I always use BitGet when I want to buy Solana. You could also message a vendor, any vendor of your choice that sells. You could get for him. For instance, if you need those little amounts, you could also message me on WhatsApp. My link is going to be in the description box of this video. I'll drop a link to my Telegram channel. So once you come into that channel, the first message you see is my WhatsApp contact where you can message me. But then that is basically that about that. That is by the way. Now, for you to get meme coins, when any of your idolos drop meme coins and tell you to go and buy this meme coin, blah blah blah, because they have probably done their research and they tell you that it has high potential to make you money and the likes. A lot of people ask questions like, how do I get the contract address? How do I buy? How do I this? The application you simply need is DexScreener. Yes, DexScreener. This is the home of all meme coins, especially for Solana. Now, once you come on this screen here, when they tell you to buy any meme coin, what you do is to search for the name of the meme coin. For instance, on my channel where I do drop meme coins for people to buy and make money from, I dropped one some days ago, which is council. So what you basically have to do is to come over to this search bar here in your desk screener, you type council. So you search for it. That is if you don't have the contract address. So you see, let me search for council and I'm gonna wait for this page to load up. All right, as you can see, since I typed council, this is the full name here, Council of AGI. There are also some other, there are also other councils, other like this one here. Look at this one, but this is the one we're going for, Council of AGI. So you simply tap on it, and then you can now copy the contract address. But what you need to know is that when your idolos give you meme coins to buy, you don't just go into buying, you do your own research on it also. There are ways to go about researching on these platforms. Look at all of this information. They are not just here for fancy. They are here for you to look into. When you check this information, you will know properly whether this meme coin is good to buy, whether it's going to be profitable or not. I will have shown you that, but that will be in another video. If this video gets 2K views, then I'm going to make a video showing you, instead of depending on people to give you contact address to go and buy meme coins and the likes, I'll show you how to also research meme coins by yourself and how to hop into those meme coins and make money from it. So if this video gets 2K views, I'll be making another video. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure to pause, like this video, like and share so it will get to more viewers, and you can drop a comment in the comment section of this video. So this is the screen here. If you look at this little button, this little icon here at the top of your screen, once you tap on it, you can see the contract address has been copied successfully. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do now is to head into your Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins are just my favorite. There are a lot of other meme coins, but when it comes to Solana, I just love them because I understand them easily than other meme coins. When you go to Ton ecosystem, then you talk about NFTs and the likes. But then that is basically that. Now, once you come into your Phantom wallet, what you want to do next is to now do the buying. And by this time, you must have already deposited Solana. What you need to deposit is Solana. If you have USDT, you could also send it to this place, USDC, I mean. But the USDC must be on Solana blockchain. So the next thing you want to do now is to tap on this swap. Look at the swap button here. You tap on the swap. it will take you to this page where the first thing you need to do is make sure Solana is up. If your Solana is down, you tap on this button here to exchange. You can see when I tap on this one, free coin has gone up, Solana has come down. So make sure that your Solana is up. Then you want to tap here so that you can select the token. And remember, I've already copied the contract address. So I go ahead and paste the contract address in this box here. After pasting it, you can see the coin has now arrived. The next thing you want to do is to select it, and yes, this warning is going to come normally. You tap on I understand. That is them warning you that meme coin trading is highly volatile, so do things according to your risk. And yeah, then what I want to do now is to tap on this zero here, and then I put in the amount of Solana. Let's say I want to use max, for instance. I type on max, and it is going to calculate the amount of council I'm going to receive. Look at this is the council I'm going to receive, and this is the equivalent in dollar. So what I want to do now is to tap on this swap now, and yeah, I'm still thinking, okay, the gas fee will be charging me results about 0.03. Will this work? Because I think this my balance is low. I should have purchased some amount of Solana before making it to the, but then you get the point here. So you tap on swap now. Okay, not enough Solana, and yeah, just as I've said. Now that is how you get to buy any meme coins at all on your Phantom wallet. That is how you get to buy. And what you need to know is that meme coin trading is not like normal trading. When you are trading meme coin, you are not buying coins to hold for the long term. You are buying coins when you see any profit, you take out. For instance, the method I apply when I buy meme coins, I watch the coin. Once the coin goes up, I take little amount of profit. I watch it again. Once it goes up, I keep taking little amount of profit till I cover the capital which I invested. Then I can now leave the rest. For instance, I've already made money from this reflection, this free coin, this green era, and the one I made the highest amount of money from is Council of AGI, the one I just showed you, and I've sold off all my bag. But I'm noticing that the coin is going down now, so I'm still gonna buy into it again because it's showing some good moves and the likes. So that is basically that about that. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one. And by 9 p.m. today, I'm going to be telling you about a meme coin called Shalom Meme Coin. Shalom supersedes all of these meme coins, and there is a reason for that. There is a very big reason for that. It is what I'm going to be uncovering 9 p.m. today on X. Look at Tonio Tech. Go and search for this profile on X. Follow me here. Yes, I do drop most of the updates here even before I make videos on them. So you can see if you look at this my profile, this is Shalom Meme on it. Yes, so make sure to go and follow me on X and stay in touch for updates because we're going to be bringing it to you hot. If you also want a place where you could be getting free meme coin signals, you could also join my WhatsApp channel. So you can see this is my WhatsApp channel here. So you could decide to join it. I'll drop the link in the description box for this video so you could join if you want to be getting signals on meme coins and probably some other updates. So that is basically that about that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.